Greetings, ISBS colleagues. This is Duane Knudson, President of ISBS. It is my distinct pleasure and honor to welcome you to the closing celebration of the ISBS 2020 Online Activities e-Conference. Unfortunately, we cannot be together socially in person and enjoy a banquet together, but we can celebrate the achievements of the members of ISBS this year. And we will begin with a presentation of awards for 2020, and I want to thank Neil Bedzotis and his team who have completed the difficult process of soliciting nominations and evaluating many highly qualified nominations for these awards. So we will begin with the award of ISBS Fellow. These scholars have achieved recognition in their research to be designated as a Fellow of ISBS, FISBS. And this year there are three new ISBS Fellows: Dr. Mark King, Loughborough University; Dr. Rini Kong, Nanyang Technological University; and Dr. Peter Sinclair at the University of Sydney. Please join me in congratulating these new Fellows of ISBS. Perhaps reach out to them electronically or greet them at a future ISBS meeting. The Life Member Award is the next award that recognizes outstanding lifetime achievement in sports biomechanics and contribution to ISBS as a society over a long term. And this year, ISBS would like to recognize Dr. Garth Irwin, Cardiff Metropolitan University. Congratulations, Garth, as a new life member of ISBS. A highlight of every banquet is the announcement of the upcoming highest award provided by ISBS, the Geoffrey Dyson Award. And 2021, next year's Geoffrey Dyson Award and Lecture will be presented to Dr. Julie Steele, University of Wollongong, Australia. Please join me in congratulating Julie as the next Geoffrey Dyson Award winner for ISBS. In 2020, we also will be presenting several grants for ISBS, and Ina Jansen and her team are thanked for their work in reviewing these outstanding proposals that will push sports biomechanics knowledge forward in the future. So we'll begin with the Student Research Grants. They support students in their work toward finishing their research, and since 2012, 18 students have received ISBS Student Research Grants. So the first one, Elnora Leflo from the University of Auckland University of Technology, AUT, sorry. And you can see the research that she is being supported for. Congratulations, Elnora. And the second award winner is Kellen Krajikowski from the University of Pittsburgh, and you can see the research that is being supported there as they complete their studies. Congratulations. The ISBS Internship Grant supports a full member of ISBS funding an intern student. So this is a win-win, supporting senior scholars that can train future sports biomechanics scholars and doing outstanding research. And this award has been awarded only for the last several years, since 2017. So ISBS full members consider submitting for this grant in the future. And our first recipient is Alexandra Attack from St. Mary's University. And you can see the research project there. Congratulations, Alexandra. And the second internship grant is to Dr. Glenn Fleesig from the American Sports Medicine Institute. Sports Medicine Institute. And you can see the research that's being supported there. So this unfortunately brings me to the closing of the ISBS 2020 Online Activities e-Conference. This year reminded me of the American film Back to the Future. I don't know if you saw it, but for the second time in our 38-year history, an ISBS conference has been delayed by a global pandemic. In some ways, this is a lot like the experience of a competitive sports person. Achievement in sports is a difficult process. often with challenges and setbacks. What matters most is not the difficulty, but how you respond to the difficulty and rising up to overcome it. The ISBS board, conference organizers, and ISBS members have been up to the challenge this year, and I hope you enjoyed the ISBS 2020 Online Activities e-conference. With your help, we are moving ISBS and sports biomechanics forward in this difficult time. Challenges to in-person collaboration and in-person human research are being overcome by ISBS leaders and members. Thank you for taking time in the wide variety of time zones in which you live to participate in the ISBS 2020 online activities and the operation of ISBS at our annual general meeting. There are exciting research reports, initiatives, grants, and awards that represent the shared victories of ISBS members in 2020, and I'm sure there will be more in the future. Thank you for your continued commitment to ISBS. Please remember to invite new scholars and friends you have missed back to ISBS at our upcoming meetings in Canberra, Liverpool, and Milwaukee. Hopefully these will be in a face-to-face format. Together we are an unbeatable team. Thank you for participating in ISBS and see you at an upcoming conference.